Yes, of course, it was a big game. Never played in such a huge crowd in Bombay before, so this was a first game, I would say. And it is always nice to be among the runs. We needed this win very badly, and we spoke about that. So I'm glad that it came out at the right time.
First 8 balls, no run at all. Sorry. The first 8 balls, no run at all. The last 2 was also not any runs came. So at the break, what did we 15 or 20 runs short?
Well, to be honest, when we started that, we did speak about that, that we might be 10, 15 runs short. But I think a lot of credit must go the way we fielded today. I think we saved about 20 odd runs, and that's what we discussed when we were about to go into the ground for fielding, and obviously that was the biggest thing. That was, if we compare what we did better than Chennai, I think we fielded much better than Chennai, and obviously we know how strong side they are, and it's always nice to beat this strong opposition and going forward. Well, it's always nice to have tall fielder at the boundary lines, since the boundary lines are very small. Yeah, obviously it's nice to have these guys, and they're probably one of those. They definitely come in that category, in the best fielders in the world, and look at the way he took that brilliant catch of Hussey. Probably that was the turning point in the game, and from there onwards, I think everybody chipped in, and Rohit took the brilliant catch of Dhoni. That was also, Hussey and Dhoni, when they get going, any target will look small. So I think fielding was the main reason we won today. Well, there was a bit of dew, and when you have a pressure of scoring 10 runs in an over, then obviously batsmen will have to take chances, and I'm lucky that I got away with that catch at the mid wicket. Anirudh didn't hit that well, and I had a good day, and I bowled the right sort of areas and used the dew to my advantage, and I was just trying to bowl a little shorter so it could go just skids on and not. I was not just looking to give no width and trying to just give one run on, and that's what worked for me today. Well, this is the beauty of this game. You never know. This game is full of surprises, not just for the bowlers and also for the batsmen. It's difficult as a bowler to keep adjusting to the different tasks, but obviously you need to adopt yourself in these challenges to do well, and that's what every time you come into bowl, you have to back yourself. You know that bowlers will go for runs in this competition. You have to back yourself and have faith in your ability and do what you know what you can do, and rather than doing things which you can't do, and there's no point trying those things. So that's what probably I was looking to do. I was calm and composed. I knew that if I land the ball there, if he hit, he hit. But if he miss, I'm going to get a wicket. That's what I was just looking to do.
No, I think I'm happy batting at number 4 because I'm a middle order batsman, not an opener. It's okay. As long as our team is winning, if I don't get to bat, it's all right. The most important thing is, your team needs to win. So that's what is important. But yeah, whenever you get opportunity, you should be ready to go and do your best. So that's what it was. It was a perfect day for me today. 2 wickets in first 4 overs. Then I had time in my hand to go and get my runs.
You hit the last ball 6 the previous game, and we had 5 6s and 8 fours. How different was the wicket between the 2 games about the bowling?
No, the game against Pune we played, it was little on the slower side, whereas this wicket was nicely, it was coming on nicely onto the bat. because of the dew. So I knew we just need to back. I just need to back my abilities, because I know I can hit sixes. So yeah, that's what I did. That's what I did. I just wanted to bat through the innings, and yeah, it came out nicely today.
Asking about the track, is it becoming a norm on this track that teams batting second are finding the conditions for into both? Is it becoming a sort of a norm on this track that teams batting second are finding conditions for into?
Yeah, because this wicket has got a lot to offer to everyone. But to be honest, this is probably the best track we have in India, NCCI, because it has red soil, and which gives the opportunity to the bowlers, seamers, and if you're a genuine spinner, you can spin the ball on these wickets and you get nice bounce, and batsman gets the opportunity because it has bounce to score a lot of runs. So definitely we are very happy that we are playing at the Wankhede, and this is a beautiful stadium. We're really enjoying each and every moment and really enjoying the support we are getting.